Hello dear soulmates. So we're making a straight dart bustier. First of all, what I did was to fold my fabric into two. After folding into two, I marked my start line. From my start line, I measured 10. That 10 is my bust point. So I'm going to draw a straight line at my bust point. So after doing that, what I'm going to measure now is to take my tape and then measure to my under bust. My under bust is at 14. So I'm also going to take a straight line, make my straight line at the under bust. So after getting my under bust, what I'm going to get now is my waistline. What I normally do at my waistline is to add 2 inches to my under bust to get my waistline. For example, if your under bust is 15 plus 2 inches is 17, sorry. My own is 14 plus 2 inches is 16. So I'm going to draw the straight line at the waist point. So what I'm going to do is to get my nipple to nipple. The client's own is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. If your own is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. If your own is 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. So I'm going to mark that 4 inches all the way down from the shoulder to the waist. I'll mark 4, 4, 4, and then connect my lines with a straight ruler. So I'm trying to make sure that the lines are correct, are 4, 4, 4. So I'm going to mark it straight and then use my ruler to connect the straight line, the 4, 4, 4, all the way down. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to measure now is 2.5 at this point. I'll measure 2.5 at this point. Then at this down here, I'll measure 1.5 inch at this down here. Then at this point, I measure 1 inch. 1 inch here, 1.5 inch here, and at the top 2.5. So I'm going to connect this line. Are you seeing what I'm trying to do? I'll use my ruler to connect a straight line from the bust point to the waist at this point, to the under bust at this point. Then at the top, I'll use my curve ruler to connect my shoulder to my bust point. My shoulder to my bust point. So after doing that, I also take my curve to also now draw connect my under bust to my bust for my under bust tightening. I'm going to tighten it by connecting these lines together. Draw a curve there. Are you seeing this? To bring out this beautiful shape. When you're seeing bustiers, they have this beautiful shape. So I'm connecting my lines. Are you seeing? It's already giving what you should give. It's already giving the bustier. So I'll cut out now. I want to first of all cut out the leftover at the waist point before I start cutting out my fabric properly. So now I'm going to cut out all these lines I have drew. So I'll cut this one first, then cut this other one, cut it. Are you seeing this? Then I also cut this one here. I'll cut this one here at the shoulder. I'll cut it. Then also cut this one here. Cut out this one here too. Cut it out. It's good. After cutting this one out, then the next thing I'm going to do is to overlap every part to take our measurement. First of all, I'll overlap the shoulder. First of all, then take by 1/2 inch, then take our measurement of the shoulder. The person's shoulder is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So I'll overlap it, then take our shoulder measurement. So I'm going to put it at 7. So from that 7, I'm going to take my armhole. My armhole is at 8. So draw your line, then connect your shoulder to your armhole, and then draw your armhole curve. Very simple. So now I'm going to overlap the bust points to take our bust circumference measurement. I'll overlap it by 1/2 inch to take our bust circumference measurement. So the same thing applies to the waist. I'll do the same thing to the waist. Then I'll take the measurement and then I'll cut out. Very, very simple. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy my video, please like my video and share. Please try to follow me on my YouTube page at Pammy Fashion. Also follow me at my new TikTok. That is where we're posting the complete video of this. Where we're padding it and then sewing it and then show it to you. Thank you very much. Bye.